There's a roaster in here today. Hey, want to check out the race car first? No? Wow, look at that! Take my glasses off. Man, that is a trippy color. That's a trip. Here. Birdie. Man, what a cool update, huh?
Oh yeah.
Love it. That looks so sick. What's up, Daniel?
Like I told you, now it looks like a car going to set records.
Yeah, no, it looks like my brother's like, it's totally updated now. It's not like this old, beat up. I mean, she's an old car, but man, look at that. What do you think, Kevin? You like it? Look at the flames. Are those neat?
Use that spray wax I was using.
Say hi, Mr. Hot Dog.
What's happening, dude?
Nice shirt.
Uh-huh. Now I'm the one with the shirt.
Now you're on the one with the shirt.
Yeah.
What do you think of it? Look how smooth it is. Feel it. You like it? Does it look faster?
Revolt.
Ooh, revolting.
Right here, it's Revolt.
So, you made another masterpiece gem for us, man. It needed an upgrade. It's been around since, what, 1957?
Yeah, no, it was pretty ugly when it came here, but now it looks like a car going to set records.
Dude, it's freaking amazing, dude. Great job. And
Thank you.
Hey, Daniel, thank you very much. I know you don't want to be on camera. You're all camera shy, but dude, you did a lot of work on this thing too, till freaking pulling some late hours, 3 in the morning for you, and Daniel working his butt off. I mean, look at this thing. It's absolutely freaking gorgeous.
Yeah,
dude.
my right-hand man, Daniel, busted ass doing body work on this. This car was rough and cracks everywhere. And it had been repaired a bunch of times, obviously. It's a race car. So he busted ass, and then when I had to leave to go up north to a wedding, he spent the whole day clearing this thing and polishing for a couple days after.
And these are all the people that we've had on the electric team over the last several years. We've had this car for about 3 years now. This is our 3rd season. We already have the world record. We're going for another one, trying to beat our record, trying to push it past 360 miles an hour. Big shout out to MagnaFlow. We got Legacy EV, PPG Paint, obviously you, San Diego Automotive Museum. Thank you guys so much for all your help with getting the paint done. This couldn't have happened without all you guys. And we're gonna go kill it at the salt. Pete, as always, I love working with you, brother.
You got it, man. And this is going to add another 10 miles an hour, just the paint.
It'd be slippery. You guys take care. That was freaking awesome.
I know all about getting fired.
All right, we are ready to go to the salt. Car is running. We've tested everything, adjusted everything. I think we ran out of things to do on the car, but I got a really bad phone call this morning, and we got rain. How does this happen like 8 times in a row?
I brought it with me.
I know. It's the Welshman's fault. So we're going to go out there. You're not coming. He's going to Sturgis. So
hey, see you guys when y'all get back.
hopefully this still happens. We're going to get back on the salt hopefully this weekend. We're crossing our fingers it doesn't rain again tonight. If it rains again tonight, we're calling it. We can't do that. Simply these cars are just too fast to run on bad tracks and bad conditions. So we'll have to shoot for October for World of Speed.
Yeah.
Other than that, we'll keep you guys updated. Wish us luck, cross your fingers, so the sun comes out and dries up the salt. Other than that, I got nothing to say.
Bike's ready?
Bike's ready. The bike's loaded up. It's in my van. We're ready to go. Just waiting for a clear day to do it.
Yeah. Well, Mother Nature's dealt us another wonderful hand of fun. So
I'm going up there with paper towels.
He's a try.
Yeah.
Get the blower out.
I want to run that damn bike.
I know. Man. We all want you to run that damn bike. But we'll see what happens. We'll keep you guys posted. Once again, these vehicles are just too fast to run in bad conditions. The Vescos this morning told me that there's no way the Turbinate is going to run if that track isn't in really good shape. Because when you're doing 500 plus miles an hour, all sorts of things could go wrong really quickly. So we don't want to do that to David. We like him.
Yeah, trying to put that power down on wet salt.
Ugh, it's like a slushy out there. So, catch you guys soon.
See what we'll see.
And you can see when I rev it.